In this video, I'll show you how to create a poll on Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you love to create a poll on Telegram, a poll is usually let's say a questionnaire, right? So you can ask people what they want. You can ask them yes or no, right? So just click on this, right? Click on it. You're gonna see the photo, the comment, or poll. Right? Click on the poll. So you can come on here. You can basically ask a question, right? So you can ask, let's say, how are you, right? So this is basically how poll works. How are you? So you can come on here and the options, you can write fine. Second option, you can choose good. Third option, you can choose okay, right? So you can select as much option as you want, right? And you can also leave multiple answers. Like I think the two people can vote or something, so you can let it can be anonymous voting or not, right? You can turn this on, you can turn this off, right? So once I don't, just click on the create, right? So yeah, you can see the poll right here. How are you? Fine, good, okay. So you can also view the results as well. So this is basically how you can create a poll on Telegram. If you find this video helpful, share that below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.